Okay, so we'll start now. Okay. Anyways, we'll go ahead with this. From tomorrow, anyways, many people are there. They will join you at 7. That's need not worry on the about the strength and all. So I'll just give you the
Yes.
basic introduction and we'll just move further on this. Okay. Because this batch is already started at 7 p.m. We have 7 to 8 members are already there. This one is just like the backup for the same. It started last week. So, anyways, no issues. So now we'll start up the process. So here we have what's it. Uh, as already we have discussed the Azure data engineering. So as already we have discussed about the Azure data engineering. So Azure data engineering is nothing but, as we know, Azure is the name used by the Microsoft to market their cloud services. And then we have the data. Data means what is information. And then you have the engineering. Engineering is nothing but application of techniques on the data by using the Microsoft Azure. Okay. So for this, we have the bunch of cloud services. We have the bunch of cloud services. We have what's it? The bunch of cloud services. We have the bunch of cloud services. So what are the cloud services we can have? We have the following cloud services. Those are nothing but, we can say ADF is the first service. And then we have the ADB, which we call it as what? The Azure Databricks. And then we have the next one that we call it here as what? Synapse. Okay, which we call it as what? Azure Synapse. And then we have the Fabric, which is called as what? Microsoft Fabric. It is not Azure Fabric, it is Microsoft Fabric. It is Microsoft Fabric. And then we have the AI. So these are all the the services which we are going to cover as a part of a part of our session as well. Then the next one, what is it you have it? When it comes to this, the task we can do it. What are the tasks we can achieve it? As already you know that the following are the tasks we have it. So what are those? The data migration, and then we have the data integration, data migration, data integration. Then we have the data summarization, and then we have the data visualization. So these are all the basically the tasks we can achieve it by using the Microsoft Azure Data Engineering. So now today we will start with, uh, as we know, the whole process of the data engineering start with what? Data only. Na? Data means what? Information. Am I right? Data means what, guys? Information. Data means what? Information. Data means what? Information. Data means what? Information. So what is information? So the whole world is running on the data. So data means what? Information. So what is basically we have when you talk about the information, from where do we get the information? We get the information from various sources. But the some of the sources which I can list it out here is social networking sites. Social networking sites. Okay, these are the source of information we can expect it. Where is what are the social networking sites we can say? We can say the Facebook, Insta, and we can say Facebook, Insta, and then we have what's it, guys? Facebook, Insta, and then we have what is it? WhatsApp, Facebook, Insta, WhatsApp, and we have what is it? Even we can Snapchat, Facebook, Insta, WhatsApp, Snapchat, X, which we call it as a Twitter. These are all the social networking sites from where we get the data. And these social networking sites generates what is that? Huge data or huge volume of the data. We say it was what is that? Huge volume of the data. That we can say it as what? Huge volume of the data or the massive amount of data. Okay. So we can say, but here, this is not the only source of getting the data. Apart from the social networking sites, we can also get the data from the banking applications. We can also get the data from the banking applications. So what are the banking applications we can have? We can have the following banking applications. Okay. Such as Finacle is there. etc. Okay, these are all various banking applications which are used at the bank level, and even these applications generates the massive amount of data, massive amount of data. But this is not the only one from where we can expect the data. The very major source right now, which is trending and which we get from where we can expect the massive amount of data or the information, that we can say it as what? Live streaming process. We say it as what? Live streaming process. Live streaming process. We can say it as what? Live streaming process. We can say it as what? Live streaming process. We get the data from the live streaming process. Live streaming process. We get the data from the live streaming process. So what is live streaming process? We can say the live streaming process is nothing but, we can say it from the stock market. We get the data from the stock market, where every minute the values keeps on changing. Live cricket match is there. Live cricket match. All this is nothing but basically generates the data. So we can say this is nothing but it is also, or it generates the data, which is called as what? The big data. So here, as the Azure data engineer, everyone, as the Azure data engineer, we are going to deal with the data called, what is that? Big data. We're going to deal with the data called what? Big data. We are going to deal with the data called what? Big data. But whereas the big data here is classified into three categories. What are those? The first one I can say as called as what? Structured data. Structured data. So what is structured data? Structured data is nothing but the data which is recorded in the form of a table. So table is nothing but, what's a table? You have it, rows and columns. Rows and columns. Okay, we have, what's it? Table is nothing but the data which is recorded in the form of, what is that? Rows and columns is called as what? Table. Is called as what? Table. The data is recorded in the form of rows and columns is called as what? Table. Such as, I can say it here, name, ID, and salary. Let us say three columns are there. And here you have a column as what? Alan. And now I'm giving the salary as what? 50,000. Let us say Bobby, something like this, 60. Can you see here? This is nothing but the defined structure. That is, there is no more changes required on the data. That is called as what? The structured data. No more changes required on the data. That is called as what? Structured data. Ready to use data is called as what? Structured data. And when we call it about the, when we call, that is called the second type of data, that is called as what? Semi-structured data. What is semi-structured data? The semi-structured data is nothing but the data which is recorded in the form of what? JSON files. The data which is recorded in the form of HTML files. The data which is recorded in the form of what? XML files. This is all called as what? Semi-structured data. Now, anyways, first of all, we will discuss what is JSON. So, as you know, JSON stands for what? Java Script Object Notation File. JavaScript Object Notation File. And here, the data in this one is always recorded in the form of what? In the form of what? Key value pair. Key value pair. The data which is recorded in the form of what? Key value pair. The data is recorded in the form of what? Key value pair. So what is the key? What is the value and what is the pair? How this data, if you have this data, how we write it in the key value pair format? Keys are nothing but why? Keys are nothing but, what is it? The columns. So I can say the columns here. See the data, I'm putting the same data in the form of what? Braces. This is called as opening brace and closing brace. Here you have, what's it? Name. Can you see here? The data, always the keys are kept in the double quotes. Can you see here? The keys are kept in the double quotes. And here you can say this is the data. What's the data you have it? Name is what? Alan. Na? So I'm just mentioning it here. Alan, comma. The next column. What is the next column you have it? ID. Na? So next column is what? ID. So I can say what's the ID you have it? 565. Numeric value, na? So hence there will be no quotation marks. And then you have the comma. Next one. What is it you have it? Next is what is that? You can say salary. Salary is what? 50,000. So I can say sal is what? 50,000, something like this. Huh? That's it. So now, but this is not the end of data. You have one more line after this. So I'm using one more comma here. So after the comma, what happens here? Can you see? Now, just the values are changed. So instead of Alan, we can give it as Bobby. And instead of this one, 644. And here you can get 60,000. So this is further no commas because there is no further data here. So this is called as what? The data is recorded in the form of JSON files. That's it. Okay. And the finally, you have what's it, guys? The third type of data that is called as what? Unstructured. Unstructured data. So unstructured data means what? There is no structure for the data. There is no structure for the data. That is called as what? The photos in your mobile phone, videos, chat history, photos, videos, chat history, photos, videos, chat history. All this is called as unstructured. So how to manage this data? How to maintain this data, where to store this data, all these are the jobs we are going to deal here as a data engineer. Okay, so that's it here for the day now. And tomorrow we will continue at 7 p.m. and there will be a change in the link. It will be a paid link tomorrow. So if you're interested, please go ahead with the process of registration. And once it is done, you can attend the class tomorrow at 7 p.m. It will be continued process. Okay. 7 to 8 will be the standard timing for the classes. So any further doubt you have it, you can just call me up directly. I'll give you my number, personal number as well. So here is my number. That's it. Thank you. Any questions?
Yeah, sir, actually, I just want to ask, after completion of this course, I can go for the any certification or I need to do any
DP
advanced level?
700. DP 700 directly you can go.
Sorry, can you repeat?
DP 700.
Okay, okay. And one more, why I'm asking this, like in the DurgaSoft website, I saw the two courses with same title, data engineer, but the syllabus is different. The second one is in the morning session, so
See,
that's
I'll
why.
give you my direct platform. You can
Okay,
check out in this. Just check in the chat box. You check the cloudinnovatives.com. This is
okay.
the platform, my own platform. So I'll be covering as per
Hmm.
this only. I'll go. I don't know because some morning some other faculty is also there.
Okay. I thought this is an beginner course and then intermediate, something like that. If we are following, so I just
I don't
confirmed.
take morning sessions, ma'am. I'll take only in evening because I'm working.
Okay. No, that's it. These things only. Thank you.
Thank you. You check it out. I have given you my website address. Okay.
Okay. I'll check. Yeah, one second.
You got it in the chat box.
Yes, I got it. Yeah.
Please go ahead with it. Okay. Thank you.
Sure. Thanks.